presenting the Dodge 2004 Ram 3500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel drive, dual rear wheels, tires, front all-season, tires, rear all-season, conventional spare tire, steel wheels, power steering, intermittent wipers and variable speed intermittent wipers. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.